See, so it's like on the north. So you know that cloud which is the south of it, it's like formed a front on the
Yeah.
on the top of it. It'd probably peter out to nothing, but might as well be ready just in case. At least we can use it if it gives us something good. So we've got 65 miles to run to Itajaí, and what has been a very dramatic leg, and even right to the end for us it's going to be dramatic. We've got a huge supercell behind us giving plenty of thunderous sounds and lots of lightning, sheet lightning, fork lightning, slowly catching us up. In some ways that's a good thing, going to give us some breeze, get us into the finish, but we've also got to be a little careful because we're missing our port plate off our keel, and we think that if we go over 20 knots of boat speed we stand a good chance of getting a very lot of water in the boat very quickly, so we've got to monitor that, but hopefully this will get us back to the finish in the next few hours. But it's been an interesting evening.
I think we get a little bit blessed here in the end of the leg. It's been a light day and we're not getting anywhere, but now we'll look to get a proper thundercell here that can get us to the finish hopefully. So yeah, hopefully we got some breeze in it and we can get moving if we're lucky.